I think everybody knows Hesston because of the big balers and round balers, and we're committed to be able to bring a better baler to the market today. I'd say with the 2900 series baler that we are building that baler a lot better at Hesston. Just because we've had a lot of people involved, a lot of people on the floor involved on how to build it, a new process to how the workers were involved. In the last 6 years, I've seen dramatic improvements in the Hesston plant as far as lasers, as far as robot welders, as far as work instructions. The process is put in place to build a lot better quality product. They went in and they improved the lighting, and actually they got probably 3 times, 4 times the lighting on that plant floor for the round baler. It's coming in from both sides, so they can be able to see exactly what's going on when they put on lock collars to see if it's on right. It's more like an automotive type environment. They're really taking a lot of pride in what they're doing. Each baler now, as they start down the line, they're in workstations like they were before, but in these workstations they have these kit carts, and the kit cart comes in and there's just enough parts on that kit for that station to build that one baler. It allows the operator to take more charge of what he's doing with it, rather than just picking a part out of the bin. Here's 100 parts, pick one out and put it on the baler. Now it's more precise to where exactly these parts go on this workstation. Engineering had to make some changes too with the baler, so they can be able to build it a little bit better. We've changed the layout inside the mesh pan to where we're actually allowing more tension to be put on the mesh and as it goes on the baler, so we're actually putting the mesh on a little bit tighter on the bale. Then at the end, then we have a run-in station to where we have it's kind of a dummy tractor. It's got a PTO on it, it's got hydraulics on it, it's got electricity on it to where we can plug your monitor in. And then balers run there for a half hour to 45 minutes, depends on the takt time. We see improvements all the time with the balers that we build. We're finding new ways to do things. We want to be able to have a baler that'll be ready to go to the field. And all the dealer has to do is pre-deliver it and be able to put it into the customer's hands. We want dealers to use the pre-delivery. We want them to send them in, because that's the only way that we can improve our quality, to have feedback from our dealers. We thought with the new paint shop coming on board, we go to powder coat and e-coating with the paint shop. Well, all of this is set up as manufacturing or build after paint. And it changed the whole look of the baler, because we wanted to be able to make that change to say, here's an old, here's a new. We want to be able to differentiate the change, and that's why we call it the 2900 series baler. But it all kind of wraps up in one piece, and so as we all work together, then we come up with a 2900 series baler. And I think today, in fact I know today, that the 2900 series baler is a better baler.
I believe.
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 I believe.